Hey guys, today we're gonna make pizza. For this, we have taken 2.5 cups of flour, salt, some warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of yeast, some tomato puree, white sauce, some oil. I have taken some Italian herbs, cheese, vegetables and a meat topping. In a bowl, I'm gonna add the sugar and the warm water. I'm gonna mix the sugar until it's completely dissolved. Later, I'm adding in the yeast and let it rest for like 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut all the vegetables that we need, starting with some onions and tomato. I have taken some bell pepper, yellow and red, and I have taken some green capsicum as well. You can choose these vegetables as you desire. Now I'm gonna add in the yeast mixture and mix it with some flour and salt. We have to form a sticky dough. Now you have to knead this dough really well until for about 15 to 20 minutes. At this stage I'm mixing the Italian herbs to the dough mix as well, but this is optional. Apply some oil on top and cover the dough using a plastic wrap and let it rest for like 1 to 2 hours. In the meantime, I'm preparing the baking tray and applying some oil to it. Now the dough mix is ready. Now I'm going to remove the air bubbles and knead it again for like 1 to 2 minutes. As you can see, I have rolled it and now it's going on top of the baking tray. Before adding in the toppings, we have to punch some holes in the dough using a fork. As the first layer, I'm adding in the tomato puree, then a layer of onions. The next layer should be some vegetables. Topping it with the meat mixture and then some white sauce. As the final layer, I'm gonna add in some cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle some Italian herbs so it will give a nice flavor. Now our pizza is ready. I'm gonna bake it for about 50 minutes in 180 degrees. Here's the final look of our pizza. As you can see, it's very beautiful and it's very tasty. If you have questions about the video, please leave a comment below. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get more videos. Thank you for watching Kitchen Champs.